Application of trigonometry, part 2. In this video, I will have a short review about how to identify the angle between straight line and plane. The second part is how to identify the angle between two planes. Okay, maybe you can have a look. In S3, we have already discussed how to identify angle between line and plane. Suppose we have a straight line L. What is the definition of the angle between this straight line and the plane pi? First of all, you need to find the projection of L on the plane pi, that is L pi. And the definition of angle between the straight line L and pi is the angle between these two straight lines, L and L pi. We can reduce from angle to a plane to angle between two straight lines. So, this angle is the angle between line and plane. How about angle between two planes? Suppose if we have two planes, they will have line of intersections. So first of all, you need to find the line of intersections, and you need to find two straight lines. One straight line on plane alpha, another straight line is on the plane beta. If this straight line x is perpendicular to the line of intersections, and this y also perpendicular to the line of intersections, this angle is the angle between alpha and beta. That means the angle between the planes. Maybe you do not have a clear idea how to find the angle between two planes, or you feel this description, okay, is not very clear. I want to use some example to illustrate how to find the angle between straight line and plane, and how to find angle between two planes. In this chapter, we will also discuss how to apply the simple trigonometric ratio and sine formula, cosine formula. We not only can identify the angle between two planes, we can also find the exact values of the angle between two planes. So you may turn to page 8. Example 3. In the figure, this is a white pyramid, and the base is a square. Given that VA, VB, VC, and VD is equal to 10. And the second information is the length of the square is also equal to 10. Part A asks you to find the angle between VA and ABCD. Okay, first of all, you need to know how to use the definition to identify the angle first. First of all, you need to find the projection of VA on the plane ABCD. In general, I will find one point of the straight line not on this plane. So I will choose V because V is not on this plane. And you may find the projection of point V first. So the projection is point O. After that, you know the projection VA is on the plane ABCD is AO. That means the angle between line VA and ABCD is VAO. So step 1, you need to identify the angles, the required angle. Is angle VAO. If you want to find the angle, I will find one triangle containing VAO. This is my normal practice. Okay. I know VA is equal to 10 because VA is equal to 10 is equal to VB is equal to VC. And this is right angle triangle. I do not have enough information, so maybe I need to find AO or VO. Can you see? This is a square base. So I want to consider AOB, this triangle. AOB. I know AB is equal to 10 and OA, because this is the diagonal of the square. And I know AO is equal to OC, BO is also equal to BO. Then in triangle AOB, I know I can find AO. Let X be AO. X squared plus X squared is equal to 10 squared. It is because the property of square. This is equal to 90 degrees. So I can find X. 2x squared is equal to 100. X squared is equal to 50. X is equal to square root of 50 or negative 50. Reject it. After finding AO, I can find the required angle because I know AO is equal to square root of 10. So cosine angle VAO is equal to square root of 50 over 10. Angle VAO is equal to 45. Okay, part B. I want to find the angle between VAB and ABCD. So do you remember the step? Step 1. Try to find the intersection line of these two planes. So intersection line is AB. I need to find two straight lines. The first one is on AVB. Another straight line on ABCD. That two straight lines also perpendicular to AB. And maybe you can start from here. Okay, or you can consider this one. But in general, I will consider the vertex because VA, I know the length of VA is equal to 10. And then, so start from V, draw a perpendicular line to AB. This is why this is isosceles triangle. VA and VB is also equal to 10. So if you draw a perpendicular line, this point must be the midpoint. And then you can also draw another straight line on ABCD, which is perpendicular to AB. So the angle between these two planes is the angle of V. Maybe I let this point is M and O. So let's find the answer together. Step 1. Draw VM perpendicular to MO. Second, identify the angle, the required angle. It's equal to angle VMO. You may consider the triangle VAB to find the length of VM. This is 10 and this is 10. This is also equal to 10. So VM squared, consider this triangle, VM squared plus 5 square. M is a midpoint. Remember, this is isosceles triangle, so that this is the midpoint. M is the midpoint of AB. Is equal to 10 square. So VM is equal to square root of 75, or negative square root. Reject it. So how can we find VMO? You can consider the triangle VMO. VM is equal to square root of 75. How about MO? MO is O is the center of a square. So MO is equal to the half of BC, the length of BC. So this is equal to 5. So MO is equal to 5. Now I can find angle VMO. Cosine angle VMO is equal to 5 over root 75. So angle VMO is equal to 54.7 degrees. I'm not going through the proxy with you because I want to discuss with you during the lesson. Maybe we can do it first. If you want to see more example, you can continue to read the video, but that's okay if you want to stop it, because I don't want to make the video too longer than 10 minutes. Okay, it's around 10 minutes. So if you want to see more example, you can continue to watch it. Okay, I want to go through another 2 example with you. For example 4, you can pause the video and then you do it first, and you can check the answer by watching the video. Okay, what I will present to you. Part A. First of all, you need to identify the angle. I want to find VA, the angle between VA and the plane ABCD. Find the projections. Start from a point not on ABCD. So start from V. Find the projection of point V is M. So the angle between straight line and the plane is VAM. The required answer is angle VAM. So consider triangle VAM. I have VM only. That means you need to find AM or AC. So first of all, you need to find AM or AV. The given information is the length of the square. In this follow-up exercise, I want to use another way to find AM. I know M is the midpoint of AC, so I can consider triangle ABC. 2 square, AB is equal to 2, BC is equal to 2. So AC you can find by using Pythagoras rule. AC squared is equal to 2 squared plus 2 squared. AM is equal to AC divided by 2, square root of 2. After that, you can, by using the symmetrical ratio tangent, this is 5 and this is root 2, you can find angle VAM. Not very difficult. Part B. Identify the plane first. Similar to the previous one, because this is isosceles triangle. Step 1, find the line of intersection AB. After that, find 2 straight line, one on VAB, another on ABCD. They are perpendicular to AB. So, isosceles triangle, I know if this is midpoint N, okay, the midpoint of AB is VN is perpendicular to AB, and NM also perpendicular to AB. So draw VM perpendicular to AB and VN and MN perpendicular to AB. So the required answer is angle V. The required angle is angle V and M. I know NM is equal to 1. I need to, oh good, because I know Vm and I know Mn is equal to 1 and Vm is given information is 5. So finish. Tangent angle Vmn is equal to 5 over 1. Angle Vmn is equal to 78.7. Done. You may try to do the following exercise 5, and if we have time, okay, we will discuss in the lesson.